This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. And in this video, I'm coming to tell you that we have surpassed 500 subscribers. We have over 500 subscribers. Actually, right now I just checked it and we're at 559 subscribers. When I started this channel a few months ago, we were only at like 120 something subscribers, 128 I think. And now we're at 559. Like, that is absolutely insane, incredible. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for loving and supporting, liking, commenting, sharing, everything that you guys do. I appreciate it so much. If this is your first time watching my videos, please make sure that you click that subscribe button. You guys are good at doing that. Also, make sure you like this video and click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video for you guys. But this video, I really just wanted to say thank you guys so much. We actually have a plaque here from YouTube, so thank you for that. As promised, we have the $100 Cash App giveaway. I've already written the names down there right here. I will not be looking at them. I'm gonna be drawing the name out of this hat. Okay, Black owned business, honey. Great, period, because we are great, period. Thank you very much. So this is the hat right here. Actually, just a little backstory. I used to work with one of the owners of the company. So he is a big time pharmacist, realtor, clothing owner, promoter, all of those things. He just has his hand in all of the bags, honey. Also, I want to give a special shout out to Nason Apparel. Can you see it? Nason Apparel, also a Black owned company. Wonderful clothing, amazing quality. Please go and check them out. I'll have both links to these clothing brands. I'll have the link in the description below so you can go and check out what they have going on. Here's the hat, and I have the names here of everybody that correctly followed the guidelines. So all you had to do was be following this channel. You had to follow me on Instagram, and you had to just leave a comment saying that you're done and leave your Instagram name so I can verify that you followed all the rules. So I'm shaking it up right now.
Not a good day. Okay? Now back to that one. Shaking the table.
Hello? I don't even know where the camera is. Okay, where's the hat? Shit. So we're about to do it now. I'm nervous. Yeah. All right. Damn, bro, this is so crazy. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me see. I got one. Ooh, bitch, who is this? All right, I got it. So let's see, who is it? Oh, this is literally the person I was just about to do. Hello, Rizzo. Hold on, can you see it? I know him. He's nice. I follow him on Instagram. This thing is... Okay, so the person who is won is Greengrass TV, aka Rizzo 214. Hi, Rizzo. Okay, you from Dallas too? I know that's right. Foxtail from the D, but yeah. So Rizzo, I am going to be hitting you up. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But thank you so much for 500 subscribers, 500 plus. And honestly, that's the end of that. That's all I wanted to say. Who was that asked me that last time? She said she wanted some information about why I even started doing stocks. Why I started trading stocks, how did I get into stocks, and just a short, long backstory. Stocks have been a part of my life since when I was in middle school. I just remember waking up in the morning and my mom would have the stock channel on. I remember she always had, there was this man, he was always yelling, girl. It was Kramer, honey, Kramer's Crazy Cell, and he was just screaming, talking about bulls and bears, and I didn't know what that was, but I always knew that my mom loved to talk about stocks and love stocks and all this other stuff. Stocks. I remember just watching the TV and all the little letters and numbers scrolling by, and I remember she used to work at a telecommunication company. I would see her company's name, her company's ticker symbol scrolling around. I would kind of sit and wait for it. And it's like, Mom, that's your company. So stocks have always been a part of my life. Getting ready for school, Growing up, my mom and my dad trade stocks, so honestly that's just, say, a piece of generational wealth that was passed down to me because my parents are always wanted to trade stocks, and I just have an affinity for trading and learning about it. I'm learning new things every single day. Like I said, we're in this together, and I'm telling you what I wish I would have known the day I started trading stocks. I'm giving you guys information about stocks from the ground up. These are all things that I wish I would have known the day I started trading stocks, and you know, every time I make a new video, there's just a little bit more information that I'm giving you so that you can go and trade in your own accounts and make your own money and just add another stream of income to your life. You need at least 5, right? So yeah, we'll do Forex next. As far as the video goes, that's all I wanted to say. Congratulations to @Rizzo214 for winning. Like I said, I'll be hitting you up on Instagram. But yeah, so that's it for that. That's Foxtail Digital coming to you again, Black Girl Stocks, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.